welcome to another handpan tutorial. Today I'm playing on a Ravpan G Pygmy. All of the exercises that we work on today can be applied to either a traditional handpan with dimples or a tongue drum. So this rhythm is a backbeat rhythm, and the backbeat means that you're gonna have this sound. I'm playing on the shoulder. You can use your index, your middle finger, or your ring finger, whatever you're most comfortable with. I'll play with my middle finger today on the Rav. And I'm going to play this rhythm between the ding and the shoulder. So everything we're going to play 8 times before adding the next level. Next level. One note. Left. 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 Next level. Left, 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 left. Next level. Left, left, left. That last one is together. 2 thumbs together. Lots of space in the second half. Now, we're going to practice moving our left hand, this harmony. Right now it's G and C. And then I want to hear D, G and D. And then we also have the option on this G Pygmy Rav to go to the E flat. So in a way we have a little bass line coming in our left hand. Back to C. C, D, E flat, D, Once you're feeling comfortable, you can speed it up. Happy practicing, everyone.